Hey y'all, Xavier here, and back again. Today is another time watching Doctor Who. But now I'm gonna be watching the Doctor Who movie from 1996 with Paul McGann as the 8th Doctor. It's a TV movie, I think. It was released in theaters. I don't know, but yeah. So I've never watched it before. Um, I just have heard things about it in the fandom, like reading on various forums and all that, and videos. And why not watch it? It's been a while. I've put it off. Might as well do it now. I have no real context for what's gonna happen. I know the master shows up. There's something about the doctor being saying something about being half human, stuff like that in there, which has been totally ignored by the New Who, right, in the revival. So good for that. I'm glad for that. Shows that even if something's in the continuity, that it can be just like ignored or stuff like that. Anything else I want to say before we start? No, not really. Trying to go into this with an open mind. So yeah, there's Paul McGann, eighth Doctor. The Doctor's in there. It's got a companion, one companion. The Master's in there, and basically that's it. So let's go.
He demanded that I, the Doctor, a rival Time Lord, should take his remains back to our home planet, Gallifrey. It was a request they should never have granted. The Time Lord has 13 lives, and the Master had used all of his. But rules never meant much to him. So, I stowed his remains safely for the voyage back, because even in death I couldn't trust him.
The time machine is she false. Okay. Interesting. Yep. The Master escaped. Whoa, that was dangerously close. Oh. That bulletproof glass he has. That's the only thing that makes sense. Well, I didn't get shot. Oh, the other two. Oh, he's the only one left. Damn. Oh, lucky. See, the TARDIS saved him.
Nope.
Oh, I thought the TARDIS manifested around him. Because it does that, it's done that before, but no. And that's how Sylvester McCoy goes out. He gets shot. Like he didn't even check.
Timing malfunction.
Yeah, he didn't even check what was out there. before he exited the TARDIS. Okay, well, you know, he doesn't always do that, so can't tune on that. So, oh, is Eric Roberts when he played the Master?
1999.
John Smith. That old name?
2 hearts? One bullet went straight through his shoulder. No damage. The other 2 are in his left leg. Look! 2 hearts.
Yeah, he has 2 hearts.
Diff. It's a double exposure, Curtis.
Oh, convenient that he went into the jacket.
Excuse me.
I know that must be annoying.
Brian didn't say that. Listen, just wait until I get home. Brian? Sorry. The probe snapped. It's still in him.
What's interesting that scene?
It's no good. Time of death.
10:03.
Is she gonna be the companion this episode?
This is no double exposure.
On him too. So 2 companions this episode? Sorry, not episode.
You're
Is in this movie?
Are you a friend of Mr. Smith's?
Yeah. Is he okay?
Actually,
He's not okay. Why is she running it down instead of getting security? That don't make sense. She should call off like police or security or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so it's choosing now to try and go for him when they could have done it like before he even reached home. I don't know. That don't make sense. Sure, we could have done it before. You know.
That
Oh, it's the guy from Mac TV. I didn't recognize him until now.
John Doe on the toe. Oh, we've got a nice autopsy booked for you tomorrow morning, mister. Followed by a sauna or Swedish herbal wrap.
Will Sasso, I think that's his name. I feel like he should have regenerated already by now.
Sweet dreams.
This being like dramatic for the movie, I guess. But yeah, he definitely should have regenerated already. So weird sleeping. Is that really what people are like when they snore? The mouth wide open like that? Oh, okay, that's what they're doing. They're paralleling movie with this. Okay. Understood. I see what they're doing. Yeah, See's alive for real. Yeah, someone is trying to escape. What kind of hospital is this? A section that musty, that bad? Oh, so dramatic. You know what? It's similar to what was that Highlander where it cuts off the guy's head and then shoots who am I? Or the Jackie Chan movie about, or is it Bruce Lee? No, Bruce Lee. Jet Li, where it's like who am I? I don't remember who it was. Or like he there are multiple versions of him in different universes and they fight and stuff. I don't know, but that, who am I? It's familiar. I don't remember what it's from. Also, the dude was filming at the moat. Eric Robert the Master. Filming at the moat, man. Classic. To Baker and his scarf. I have no reference for the yo-yo. Yeah, the fob watch. No, not the hat.
Weird.
I have no idea what that is. Something from classical. No. Did the killer? Yeah, a killer. Okay. Oh, that's kind of creepy.
No.
Believe me, I know what is best for all.
He's not gonna take a no
Was
from
he?
this.
How can we learn from him?
Can't tell people like that no. They're gonna proceed regardless.
No. No. If you do this, I'll quit.
You don't mean that.
He's very confident, isn't he?
Please. I have two hearts. You have to get me out of here before they kill me again. Please. Please, you have to help me. Try!
I don't believe it.
Oh, her husband left.
Stop.
Damn.
Ryan.
Your boyfriend?
Ex-boyfriend.
It was so sad.
You have two hearts.
Yes, he knows.
Grace, don't you see? I have 13 lives.
Please. Okay, you're trying to tell me that you've come back from the dead.
Yes.
No, sorry. The dead stay dead. You can't turn back time.
Yes, you can.
You can.
I'm not a child. Don't talk to me like I'm a child. Only children believe that crap.
You know, you are a child to him based on the age stuff. Okay. That's that version of the key. Okay. Okay. Alright. I see what it is not the key. Because the current version of the key is much just similar to like it just goes in the keyhole. It doesn't have a secret thing where you push it up and then opens like that.
You're going to help me do that. Do you understand?
Well, what's in it for me?
Staying alive.
You get to live.
I remember I'm with my father. We're lying back in the grass. It's a warm Gallifreyan night.
Gallifreyan?
Gallifrey! Yes, this must be where I live. Now, where is that?
I've never heard of it. What do you remember?
A meteor storm. The sky above us was dancing with lights. Purple, green, brilliant yellow. Yes!
What?
These shoes! Perfectly. Yes. Something's happening.
Oh my God.
I know who I am.
Oh, thank you. Oh. Okay then.
I'm the Doctor.
Good! Now do that again.
Post breakup, her is very up for stuff, isn't she?
The Doctor is half human. No wonder.
Nah, he's not half human. We quickly got rid of that. No, he's not half human. Please.
So that he will live and I will die. Oh, no! He has
Okay, that
opened
was
the
very
eye palm.
dramatic. Okay, like no.
First in subtle ways, but soon in catastrophic ways.
I need a bed in psychiatric.
By midnight tonight, this planet will be pulled inside out.
3 hours.
There will be nothing left.
I think you better make that 2 beds.
I love humans. Always seeing patterns in things that aren't there.
Thank you, Doctor.
We need to go straight to the Institute of Technological Advancement and Research. You know what that is?
Of course I do.
The Doctor recognized that he is the master. I would be shocked if he didn't.
Looks like a truck's blocking all the lanes.
Come on, but that wasn't that. Of course, he saw your eyes. Please.
What? He's British.
Yes, I suppose I am.
Yo, he was gonna get capped right there. He reaches something, there's Captain America. They'll shoot.
Look, I can't make your dream come true forever, but I can make it come true today.
Go with him,
Give me
Grace.
the gun.
Go on, give him a chance. What's that? Coming to America.
Hey man, when I get all that gold, you know what I'm gonna do?
I don't want to know.
You kill me.
Oh, it just might.
No, I mean, you make me laugh, man. You're a funny guy.
I'm glad one of us is amused.
Hey, look, cheer up, man. You'll get your body back soon, and then we're a team, right?
Yeah, sure. You're a team. Yeah, a team.
Finally meet the right guy from another planet.
The right guy, you barely know him.
Would you see how Grace says that you have a big secret? What is it?
Does he have psychic paper to use on him?
I'm half human. On my mother's side.
Very clever. Happy New Year.
You still think you must be?
Champagne?
Oh.
Grace.
Oh.
There's this no time for champagne. That's a long ass rope.
Grace, this is a Type 40 TARDIS, able to take you to any planet in the universe and to any date in that planet's existence. Temporal physics.
Oh, you mean like interdimensional transference? That would explain the spatial displacement we experienced as we passed over the threshold.
This, if you like.
Okay.
The Newton, look, I'll show you.
Well, it makes sense why she what's it called again? Why she had the knowledge Got the stuff about the stuff about the transdimensional stuff and the the other thing. Yeah.
I was neglected to mention that there won't be any place left to spend your money.
Which is why we have no time to waste.
But time to change.
Ooh. Getting dressed up.
I always dress for the occasion.
It's kind of like Doctor Strange. But also, it's very reminiscent of the Time Lord dress. Oh, the Time Lords and the Doctor Strange dress similarly. Interesting. Yeah.
700 years no one has managed to open the eye. How did you do it?
Simple. Lee is human, and you are only half. Lee.
Is he gonna try to mind control him?
I would never lie to you.
Can he still do
I
it?
would only protect you.
Damn.
Reroute the power!
Comes our room, go!
But you'll die if I leave you!
We'll all die if you don't! Run!
Yes, run!
Grace!
Don't.
This can't be how it ends.
No, it won't be how it ends.
Please.
Okay, that dramatic stop was very much warranted. I'll accept it there.
That's all the time we have.
Oh, very much. Very much spectacular. Me gusta. Is it this that was a time vortex? Oh. That was a hard fall. Of course, he's gonna offer his hand. That's the doctor. I saw that coming a bit. Only near the end. When I saw him jump, yeah, I figured that was how he was gonna be defeated. Jumping in actually into the life harmony. Can he heal them with residual what's it called again? Regeneration energy? Oh. That's what I'm interpreting it as. No case, good.
You're both in somewhere I've never been.
There's nothing to be scared of, Doctor.
I'm glad to hear it.
Did we go back far enough?
Either that or I'm talking to a couple of ghosts, and I don't believe in ghosts.
Oh, is it that they were alive at that time? So in the temporal orbit, when he went back, it brought them back to what they were
Indigestion.
in terms of alive or dead. But the memories, they still retain their memories. Okay.
I don't think I could live through that again.
I definitely wouldn't live through that again.
Reason enough.
The TARDIS being unseen? Yeah. The TARDIS is sometimes.
Lee! Next Christmas, take a vacation. Just don't be here.
Right. Thanks. Thanks, Doctor.
I know who I am.
That's enough.
I'm glad.
They have good chemistry.
You come with me.
Me come with you.
Yes.
Me come with you.
No, that's how it works, man. You're the companion, Grace, not the doctor. Please. They have good chemistry, but no, we don't want that.
Right. Where was I?
Back to his book. Oh, is it the Time Machine H.G. Wells? That's what he was reading.
No, not again.
Okay, so that was my reaction to Doctor. What was the action even? Oh my god. Doctor movie. What's the name of the film? I don't even know the actual name of the film. Oh, it's just called Doctor Who. Okay. Alright. I liked it. I also didn't like it. What did I like and dislike? Okay, I liked the chemistry between Grace and the Doctor. That was nicely done. And I felt it between them. But dislike, I didn't like it romantically. I don't know. I just felt like too scripted. I don't know. So, that's not the word I'm looking for. It felt too cliche, like a trope. Like, you know, the hero gets girl at the end. But it's the Doctor. It's not about getting the girl at the end or getting the guy at the end or whatever, you know. Or getting a kiss. That's not the point. That was clearly just put in there to be normal, what people expect, but it was not true to the character. Eric Roberts played the Master, being American. I hear them there for me because, you know, I'm not hard and fast for that rule. I would have preferred a British actor, but then it wouldn't have meshed with the plot because this was basically just to try and get the American market before we saw the Matt Smith, episodes in America that BBC did, the BBC America premieres and all that. Right, dislike the acting. It was sometimes way too dramatic. Like, come on. Like some of those no's. Nah, we didn't need those. We didn't need those. It was doing too much for me. But I know it's a movie and we're gonna be spectacular. I like some of those aspects of it being spectacular. I like with the whole extra razzmatazz with the graphics and all that. Okay, fine, I like that. But I like it, but you know, it was a thumbs up for me, but thumbs down for the extra dramatics that they put in, and especially Paul McGann. No, but saying that, I did like Paul McGann as the Doctor. There are a few moments in there where it clicked for me. What was that? The one thing? Oh, jeez, I can't remember which scene it was. That thing where, definitely the scene, him and Grace where she thinks he's gonna say something, but then he says no, something about I'm the Doctor or something like that. I don't remember what he said, but yeah. I like that. So Homeland, good doctor. Not one of the best, but acceptable performance as a doctor. I believe him as a doctor. He gets a passing grade. So that's all for me, and that's why I like the movie. I disliked it was doing too much, and it wasn't great. Plot was very simple, which is fine, but I don't know. Just wasn't vibing with it for me. For me, I like the people in there. Most of the acting was good, most part. So I had buy-in, and for the most part, it was a believable Doctor Who story. Nice romp, a nice little adventure. You know, I give it a passing grade. Yeah, it gets a passing grade for me. If it was giving me out of 5, I would give it like a 3 out of 5. You know, could have been better. Well, it was constrained by, I'm assuming, what they were trying to do, and just being like part of convention at the time. So, I don't know, maybe it's the age of it. I don't know. Maybe if it was made now, if it was made now, with the current climate, made positive impact because we didn't. I don't think we'd have gotten a case at the end. I know some of the humor might have been punched up, and I've gotten a different story. We definitely wouldn't have gotten the. We definitely wouldn't have gotten the half human thing. Come on. Anything else? No. I'm not gonna say we saw Sylvester McCoy generate into Paul McGann, 78. McCoy was fine. I didn't like it. He was a victim of gang violence. That's how he died. Gang violence. And then Grace helped him along. Okay. She helped him along. Okay. I know that's just part of it. But yeah. I don't know. It's a product of its time. So if I watched the original, then I might have liked it more. But I liked it enough for watching it. What I've seen in New Who. So, what can I say? And that's all I can think of right now for it. 1996. Doctor Who. But that's it for me.